Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ibrahim and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today is a giveaway video and I will give away 25 plus professional CV templates. Using these templates, you can design a presentable and a professional CV for yourself. While designing your CV, you should keep these 4 points in your mind. Your CV should have quality, your CV should have a clarity, your CV should have relevancy to the job, and last but not the least, your CV should show your usefulness to the employer. Okay, if you have all these points covered in your CV, then I can assure you that you will definitely get an interview call for the job you have applied for. Uh, Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. The link, the download link of these 25 templates is given in the description. Click on the link and download the templates. Thank you for watching once again. Signing out. Allah Hafiz.